Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Doordash driver, a Dasher account. So if you want to do this, you can just go to the website or download the application, right, and sign up the website here, enter your zip code to check it. So here you can just enter your zip code here to check it, right? So let's say I will just enter a zip code here and I will just go and click on next. Then it will ask my email address. So let's say I will enter my email address here, right, and click on the next. It will ask my phone number and I will able to make an account. After that it will ask me to create a password. You will need to provide your legal name and other personal information as required. Now agree to a motor vehicle and background check, which is mandatory for all the dashers. If you don't know, you need to submit original document for the copy, government issued ID such as driving license or social security number depending upon your location. And it will take a few days to approve your account and all the information authenticity. And once Dasher Central, they will approve you. Once approved, download the Dasher app to start accepting delivery request. After setting up all your banking information and reserving any necessary equipments like a red card, you can begin delivering. This is it guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe.